Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to show you how you can import data directly from Wikipedia to your Power BI report. So first of all, you are going to go to your search engine. After that you are going to type NBA Wikipedia. You can type any topic you want. Then you are going to open the first link. After that you are going to scroll down and then you are going to see some tables which are some facts about NBA. This is the table which shows conference, division, team, location, arena, capacity, coordinates related to NBA teams. So now you are going to copy this URL and go back to Power BI. After that you are going to go into the Get Data option and you are going to select Web. Here you have to paste your URL that you have copied. And then select OK. It is going to take a while to load. Now it is going to display you all the tables that are available on Wikipedia. You can preview these tables by selecting each table. So for my Power BI report, I want this table, Overview of NBA Champions. So I'm going to tick mark this and then I'm going to load this. As you can see that we have successfully imported this table from Wikipedia. Now you can begin your visualization for the report that you want to generate. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.